Hi class, today I'm going to be explaining a compare and contrast project that you'll be doing. You'll read an article about social media now and social media years ago. The objective is to create a compare and contrast paragraph using keywords and the writing checklist. First you will highlight keywords, then you will complete the chart, fill in the graphic organizer, write a summative paragraph, and then check your work using the writing checklist. So as you read the article, highlight keywords that tell you the author is either comparing or contrasting social media now and then. And you can find a larger PDF version of this article on your Google Classroom titled Social Media Then and Now. So this is the only reading that you'll be doing. After that, you're going to use the keywords that you highlighted to complete this chart and answer the question, what do you notice about the words in the chart? Then you will complete this graphic organizer with social media then, social media now, and any similarities that you find from social media then and from social media now. After that, you'll use any notes and bullet points that you write here to complete your compare and contrast paragraph. You should also use some of the keywords that you identified from the reading on slides 2 and 3 and in that chart. Once you've completed your writing, use this writing checklist to make sure that you have everything you need in your writing. 2 compare words, 2 contrasting words, capital letters and periods, an introductory sentence, and a concluding sentence. Good luck!